Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your headphones BeOPLAYE8Sport. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, click on your headphones. If they didn't connect after you turn on your Bluetooth, just put it to the charging case and remove it from the charging case. And after that, click on your headphones. Here we go. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, open it again, and remove your headphones from the charging case. And now click on your headphones. If it also doesn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So put the headphones to the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that remove your headphones from the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see it by the blue LED light. But right now you don't want to enter to pairing mode automatically, so just press and hold both connectional button on your headphones until you can see that LED light it start flashing blue, like I have right now. Now click on your headphones, and we did it. If it also didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold connectional button on your headphones for at least 10 seconds until this LED light it start flashing red. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. And after that, press and hold both connectional button to enter pairing mode and to connect them. Click on the list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!